Let's look first at lentils, the star ingredient in this salad. The fiber content of lentils make this a powerhouse ingredient for lowering cholesterol, aiding in weight loss, balancing your blood sugar, and more. Lentils are a great source of dietary fiber and can help to improve digestion and lessen the symptoms of various stomach issues. Diets high in fiber have been proven to reduce heart problems. Lentils also contain iron, which supplies you with lasting energy, and magnesium, which improves blood and oxygen flow throughout the body to reduce the risk of heart disease. Magnesium is also important in bone health and in preventing muscle cramping. Next, let's look at beetroot. Beets are low in calories, high in fiber and nutrients, and are shown to aid in cancer and dementia prevention. Beets are high in dietary nitrates. The consumption of these nitrates dilates the blood vessels and leads to a drop in blood pressure. Beets are also thought to reduce inflammation, and inflammation is often associated with heart disease, stroke, and muscle pain. The onions in this recipe contain quercetin. This is a very anti-inflammatory flavonoid that is also a free radical scavenger and can act as an antioxidant. Last on our list is ginger. Ginger root preparations possess many anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and anti-diabetic properties. The substance gingerol is one of the active ingredients responsible for all of these benefits. These inflammation-fighting ingredients can help to combat muscle pain and arthritis pain.